This is The Aura. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Rushane Barnett, the man who brutally murdered a Clarendon mother and her 4 children, was ordered on Thursday to serve 5 concurrent life sentences. Barnett must serve 61 years and 8 months in prison before being eligible for parole. The victims, his cousin Kimisha Wright and her children, Kimanda Smith, 15, Sharalee Smith, 12, Rafaela Smith, 5, and 23-month-old Kishawn Henry Jr., were discovered inside their Cocoa Peace home in Clarendon with chop wounds and their throats slashed on June 21.
It is a great call by the judiciary to show that these sort of matters, don't do it. It will be dealt with strongly and effectively and with a lot of testicular fortitude. So we are very pleased on this side.
In international news, British Prime Minister Liz Truss has resigned after a tumultuous 6-week term in which her policies triggered turmoil in financial markets and a rebellion in her party obliterated her authority. Just a day earlier, Truss had vowed to stay in power, saying she was a fighter and not a quitter, but cited her inability to deliver the mandate on which she was elected as a reason for her departure. Truss's resignation leaves a divided party seeking a leader who can unify its warring factions. Meanwhile, former UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson will reportedly run for Prime Minister again after Liz Truss resigned from the position earlier today. Johnson resigned as Prime Minister in early July after his government was rocked by several ministerial resignations, which was prompted by the Partygate scandal. According to Yahoo News, a poll of Tory members, which was released on Wednesday, revealed that 63% want Johnson to take over the party. One of 3 men who reportedly robbed a basic school in Clarendon was beaten by residents as they made their escape on Thursday morning. Reports are that a resident noticed a vehicle with 3 strange men in the vicinity of the Shekels Basic School and raised an alarm. Citizens then discovered that a stove, a refrigerator, a microwave oven, along with several food items were missing from the school. As the men attempted to flee, one was reportedly captured and beaten by residents. Jamaica Observer Media Group Managing Director Julian Rogers has indicated his intention to retire from office effective December 1, 2022. Rogers joined the Observer in April 2019 and has helmed the growing media group, which includes the daily newspaper, as well as radio stations The Edge and Fire 105. Rogers in his statement expressed appreciation for the teamwork over his 3-year tenure. The police in Hanover are hoping that a video showing the brutal slaying of a businessman will help them identify and capture the shooters. On Wednesday, 36-year-old He Jing, the operator of a supermarket and wholesale, was gunned down during a robbery at his establishment in the Just One Plaza in Orange Bay. The surveillance video shows 2 armed men in hoodies entering the establishment as customers milled about. One of the men was dressed in what appeared to be a grey and black hoodie. The other sported a black hoodie with a red mask covering his face. On entering the establishment, the men shot at Jing, who was at the cash register. They initially missed, but the businessman was eventually hit and fell to the ground. The shooter wearing the mask pumped several more bullets into him as he laid on the floor. This has been The Aura. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.